Knuckle pop. What if I told you that cracking your knuckles isn't bad for you at all? Many believe it damages joints, but science says otherwise. The popping sound isn't your bones rubbing together, it's actually tiny gas bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. When you stretch your fingers, pressure changes cause these bubbles to collapse, creating that signature pop. So, next time someone bonds you, just tell them it's simple physics. Knuckle cracking is just gas escaping, not bones breaking. Do you crack your knuckles often? Drop a comment below. And for more cool science facts, hit that subscribe button on @Flash News Capsule.